been here in Central Wrexham. It's very nice place, but not for the lorries. So if you're with a class 1 and you want to deliver around here, you should better think again. Because I think you'll get stuck at some point. So the sat-nav is telling me to go further up on this road. Okay. Town center again. Again I have to drive my lorry here. Why? Look at this. Oh, so finally I managed to go out of this place. Well, I hope I'm okay. I hope I'll not have any issue with it. Right folks, so I just been to the customer shop and to find out where they want the stuff. So actually I'm in this whole shop area. So now I just have to back the lorry in their yard here in the back, drop the pallet off. Happy days. Okay, so now it's, can't see the corner. I'll go a little bit larger. Can't see. I can't see how far it's off that fence. You know what I mean? Fucking lorry. I got them branches as well, so just need to put it somewhere around there. Drop the pallet, job done, go. Okay. This pallet is going here. Amazing. Quite heavy.
How many pallets are there?
Sorry? One, yeah. Yeah. Them pallets are to go back?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll take them for you. Okay. Where do you want it?
Right here.
Yes, here. Oh. Okay.
As close as possible, you don't want to get wet.
If you want, I can put it closer.
No,
Yeah,
it's fine.
yeah. If you don't mind the paperwork,
Don't you
I just left the paperwork with one of your colleagues.
Oh.
Thank you. Okay. Take. Just one of them. Yeah, if you don't mind. Thank you. Actually. What heavy. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wishing you all the best and have a nice Christmas.
And you, darling.
Thank you.
And
Cheers.
don't get too drunk.
No.
You're only young, you'll be doing it.
Honestly, I don't drink so much, so
Oh, that's very good then.
just keeping myself fit for the job. Yeah. Thank you. You too. So all the pallets are inside, everything is done, just for me to put this bar. Yeah, so actually with this bar looks a little bit better, so they ain't going anywhere. 1 2 3 4 pallets left. So finish with this job. Now out of here, and to go out of here I just need to go around, you know. So in order to go around I need to go around here in the main car park. Just preparing to go out because everyone will try to pass, so it's not quite useful for me. I don't know how I will be able to take the turn on the end, because there are so many cars parked around there. Very nice. So now next job 9 miles away, and I think I'm gonna stop for the other half an hour break. Again, look where I have the job in the end there. Yeah, so literally is nowhere to park. I just have to move some of the cones in order to get the lorry parked. So now I just have to take the pallet, drop it down, move it on the other side of the road. Going down, drop the pallet and then go out. There's literally nowhere to park here. Is that okay there?
Pardon?
Is that okay right
Yeah,
there?
I don't want the pallet though.
Ah, okay. The problem here is with the parking.
I know.
There's nowhere to park. I had to remove them cones to park there.
Yeah, that's alright.
I hope I'll not receive any ticket.
No, you'll be fine. I'll move the cones after you've gone.
Yeah, thank you, mate. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'll just pass it to you if you want. It will be much
fine,
easier.
Thank you. Can I return that one,
Yeah,
please?
no problem.
Thank you.
It's broken?
Yeah.
Ah, I see. Sometimes it just, yeah, sorry for that.
No, it's not your fault.
I didn't realize that it's broken. If you can mention on the paperwork,
Of course,
that will be great.
I'll bring them up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you very
No
much.
problem. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, did they not put all these in a box for you? That's a pain, isn't it?
Well, I don't know exactly how they done the pallets because they just give me the keys and that's it.
Nightmare.
Yeah.
Well, it is what it is.
Well, it's not a bad job. I really like it.
Good. Excellent.
Yeah.
Stocking up on balls. Brilliant. Oh, that one.
Yeah. So it's
And that's going back. I'll ring them and tell them, and then
and
they'll expect it when you get back.
you can write on the paperwork as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Just waiting for the paperwork and then ready to go. I'll just put this pallet. So I'm just waiting for him to do that. So not going anywhere. Okay, now let's go out from this job that we done here. So the customer will put the cones back, as he told me he will put the cones back. So all I need is to go out from this town center.